Italian Job, the movie. So today the people hooking it up for me is Budget. I booked a car on Priceline. Priceline made it really easy, $20 a day. It's gonna be a little Italian car. So this is a quick little insurance tip. Always do a walk around of your car. They told me this car was gonna be white. Look how white my car is. And they told me it's gonna be automatic. Got the whole video of the car. They might try to tell me I did this. That wasn't me. God bless. Hopefully this car rental goes nice and smooth. Pirelli tires, because we're in Italy. Let me just verify. Do I have the right plate? Okay. Time to hit the road, Jack. How do I turn this car on, bro? You guys know I love me some cars, but I'm gonna enjoy driving stick shift even more because I forgot how to turn the car on. Kind of embarrassing. Push. You say you know everything about cars. You even know how to turn one on? Alright, so let's get serious, man. Bro, I'm about to break this key in here, man. The car don't turn up. Ooh. Look at my smooth driving, ladies and gentlemen. Let me put it back in first gear. This thing goes while I get out. Smooth, papi. I'm smooth. That's another skill you gotta know how to handle. You go to a foreign country, gotta know how to drive stick. So as soon as I get out of here, hit the road. So I'm officially in Palermo, Italia, and Sicily. Guys, we don't get a car, so what did I do? Get a car. Probably not going to use it much. I'm taking it straight to a parking garage and leaving it. From there I'll be walking or taking. I thought I should make a quick video and let you know when you come to Italy, make sure you know how to drive a manual car. It's actually kind of fun, but look. So I have no idea what the Airbnb situation. The Airbnb host tells me there's no parking, so I've left it here. It was 20 euros a day, 40 euros, gone just like that. That's why sometimes it's better to stay at a hotel. You get parking sometimes, it's right around the corner, but now parked in this historic parking Airbnb. This little bag is doing me a solid though. And I'm traveling light, so that's the main key. Get ready to walk. One of the oldest countries in the world, isn't it? What's up, everybody? I'm here at the Airbnb accommodations here in Sicily. It's actually really nice, to be honest. It's not like any other place I've ever visited in my life. I want you guys to see how the setup is. It's not only art, it's cultural, it's antiques, all sorts of stuff. Check out the roof. The roof. And then this is the room right here. Check out the bathroom situation. Ooh wee. We gotta live a little. So, anyways, I'm really out here in Sicily chilling. Gonna take a shower and head out of here. Take care. There's a lot of Indians in Sicily. I don't know why. Gotta get to the bottom of it. But there's Indians out here in Sicily. That's cool. Just had a pizza back here. Don't really know how to pronounce it, but I'll put it in the comments so you guys can read it up. And when you're in Sicily, you can eat there. I ate my whole entire pizza and I drank my whole liter of water. And all that means is the food was good. As you can see from my face, the food here is awesome. The people here are very friendly. And you know, it took me a couple seconds to get adjusted to it, but I'm getting the hang of this place, which, you know, is an old city. Lots of people are visiting, tourism. They welcome us here, so come check out Sicily.